RV Life Trip Wizard and the RV Life mobile app can help you travel safely with routes that can be customized based on your own rig's dimensions. Your routes can also take into account your preferences to avoid things like ferries and tolls. Note that not all features will be available to non-RV Life Pro members. First, you'll need to confirm your RV's dimensions in the app by tapping on your account icon. If you already know your RV's length, height, and weight, you can enter these manually. Or you can search the RV Life database for this information by tapping on Edit and following the prompts to find your rig's make and model. The information entered in these fields will help RV Life Pro to automatically generate RV safe routes, including avoiding bridges too low for your RV's height. Confirm your information here and tap Continue. Then tap the back arrow to return home. If you are in the middle of one of your planned trips and wish to access your route preferences as you navigate to your next stop, tap on Trips and select your trip from the list to open it up. Once the trip is open, you will see a list of all your stops along your journey. When you are ready to drive to your next destination, tap on the Navigate button to pull up RV Safe GPS. Then, tap on the Route Preferences button. Here you'll be able to toggle on or off the ability to avoid certain options. Tapping on Yes next to Avoid Tolls ensures RV Life Trip Wizard will attempt to choose routes that do not include toll roads and will only route onto toll roads as a last resort. Tapping on Yes next to Avoid Ferries ensures RV Life Trip Wizard will attempt to choose routes that do not include ferries and will only select routes with ferries as a last resort. Similarly, you can choose to have RV Life Trip Wizard attempt to avoid highways, tunnels, or unpaved roads. Once you have confirmed the options you've chosen, tap on the X to return to the GPS screen. Then tap on Start Navigation to begin your trip. You can also access these routing preference options via on-the-fly RV Safe GPS by tapping on GPS. Enter your starting point and destination, and tap on Route Preferences to edit which options to avoid.